I'm going to be showing you how to find my iPhone from another iPhone. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you need to do is, on the other iPhone, you just need to open the Find My app. Just go to App Library and search for Find My. As you can see, it's right there at the top. Just go ahead and tap here. After you're here, you should see something like this. Just look at the bottom where you can see the option of Me. Just go ahead and tap on Me and just find a Help a Friend option right over here. Just go ahead and tap here. This will lead you to a website and it'll ask you to sign in with your Apple ID. After you've signed in, you should see something like this. Just wait for it to load. So after signing in, just tap on the device that you want to find from a different iPhone, and after you've done so, just tap on Play Sound, and after you've done it, the sound will play from a different iPhone and you could just find the iPhone this way. You can also try to erase it or tap on Lost Device to lock it, and there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.